6 બ્રાન્ડ્સ અંડર વન રૂફ બેજમાં આવેલા છે 6 બ્રાન્ડ્સ અને બધા જ હેવી ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ્સ ઉપર આવેલા છે. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, આખા સેક્શનમાં જે તમને એથનિક દેખાઈ રહ્યું છે એમાં તમને અપ ટુ 30% ઓફ મળશે. Quad sets over there are at up to 20% off. Some pieces in jewelry again 20% off. સારીઝનું જે આખું કલેક્શન છે અહીંયા તમને અપ ટુ 20% ઓફ મળી જશે એન્ડ દેટ પર્ટિક્યુલર રેક ઓવર ધેર ઇઝ અગેન એટ અપ ટુ 50% ઓફ. બેજ ગેલેરી 2 દિવસનો એક્ઝિબિશન છે આજે અને આવતીકાલે.
All का piece આવશે બધા different size and colors short style भी આવશે એમાં સિંગલ શોર્ટ ટોપ આવશે સિલ્કમાં કાઉલ સ્ટાઇલ આવશે મોડલ સ્ટાઇલમાં કુર્તા છે
ઓકે
મોડલ ફેબ્રિક ફેસ્ટિવ વેર આવશે
ઓકે
એમાં બી ડિફરન્ટ કલર્સ અવેલેબલ પ્લેનમાં આવશે આ રીતે મલ કોટનમાં ડિફરન્ટ કલર કોટ સેટ્સ આવશે મલ કોટનમાં.
Hi everyone, we're Talank. We specialize in Banarsi textiles. All of our textiles are from Banaras. So today we have a lot of fun sarees, which is like the flavor of the season. A lot of like tissue silk sarees that can be themed with like literally anything. We have a bunch of dark colors and again a bunch of light colors that can be themed with everything that you like. And we have a lot of nice plain colors like this lime green color right here. The fun thing is that whatever we have today, everything is on a 20% discount. Moving ahead on our dress materials, we have a lot of like nice, fun pastel shades, which are like hand embroidered dress materials that you can be, that you can stitch it however you like. So yeah, please feel free to come in, and we're hoping to see you all.
Hi, I'm Prachi Shah from Prachi Shah Pure Chic Silver. We have all pure silver jewelry. So આપણે રાખી કલેક્શન નવું ઇન્ટ્રોડ્યુસ કર્યું છે. તો ધીઝ આર સેટ્સમાં બી છે રાખીસ એન્ડ ધીસ ઇઝ ઓલ પ્યોર ગોલ્ડ જેટલું જ એનું કલેક્શન છે જેમાં રિયલ ગોલ્ડ જેવા જ બધા પીસીસ નાખેલા છે. ખાલી ધ બેઝ ઇઝ સિલ્વર. એમાં આઈ હેવ ધ હોલ કલેક્શન. પછી આ પીકોક કલેક્શન છે એમાં અલગ અલગ સ્ટોન્સ છે. there are beautiful rings and neck pieces છે. એમાં બી આ બર્ડનું આખું કલેક્શન છે. and we have discounts up to 20% off on this.
Hello, I am Moksha from Moksha Jain. So we have a few pieces like quad sets, dresses, tops, quad sets, dresses and tops. Something that you like to wear at various occasions for Rakhi as well. And something bright red, yellow, look really very nice. And if you're looking for something super cute, then we have these shirts. Some really cute organza tops. And if you're looking for something for summers, then we have these really cute mull dresses. Also, we do have some festive pieces on sale, and these pieces go for as low as 1,500. And we do have some blouse pieces that you can pair it up with your sarees, and dupattas that you can pair it with your lehengas or suit. And we have one unstitched lehenga as well.
Hi, my brand name is Mbai Parita. We have casual short dresses and shirts. We have cute motif detailed embroidery shirts for everyday wear. Something blingy if you like it, pop of thing. Then we do have linen shirts with some golden style. We have beautiful cactus embroidery shirt and dress as well. Then we do have shirts with bohemian details of laces. If you like something with pearl detailing, then we do have collars of that as well. Something for party wear, you can pair it with cute skirt or something like that. If you love something statement, then we do have blue shirts. And for casual things, we have this kind of multicolor that shirts that can be styled with denim or anything.
Hi, our brand name is Creative Threads. We do have short tops like this. Then we do have Jamdani dresses, long Jamdani dresses. And we do have some embroidered cords. Some long 3-piece suits. More designs in suits. Then we do have up to 50% off on this entire rack. In that we do have some short cards. Spaghetti dress. Some long cards.